Let's start by importing the necessary functions from Vue. We need effectScope for creating an isolated scope for our effects, ref for creating a reactive state, and watch to observe changes in the reactive state. Here we create a new instance of effectScope. This will serve as a container for grouping related reactive effects, allowing us to manage them collectively. Now, we run a function within the scope. All the effects created inside this function will be tied to the scope we just created. We define a reactive state called count initialized with the value 0. This state is reactive, meaning any changes to count will be automatically tracked by Vue. Using the watch function, we set up an effect to log the count value every time it changes. This effect is now part of the scope and will be managed as a part of it. We then increment count, which will trigger the effect we just created so count changed. Followed by the new value will be logged to the console. With the closing of the run block, we've completed setting up our effects within the scope. Later, if a certain condition can destroy is true, we can call scope stop to destroy all the effects within the scope at once. This is especially useful for cleanup purposes, to avoid memory leaks or unexpected behaviors. Now let's import onUnmounted, which is another feature from Vue that we will use to handle the cleanup process when a component is destroyed. Inside the onUnmounted lifecycle hook, we call scope stop to automatically clean up all the effects when our Vue component unmounts. This is crucial for preventing memory leaks and ensuring our application runs smoothly.